Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you a review of this poison apple and grow a garden game of Roblox new Halloween event update. Okay, let's get into it guys. The Halloween event has been dropped in Grow a Garden and they have added new seed called poison apple, and you can get the seed from the Halloween market right here, and you can buy it with the candy corn. And if you want to get the candy corn, you can fill the cauldron until 100% and you will get reward. You will get candy corn as your reward from filling the cauldron. Okay, then you can buy the poison apple right here, and if I'm not mistaken, it cost 124 candy corns. You can buy it from here, and I have already planted this poison apple on my garden, and this is how the poison apple looks like. This one, guys, and it's a prismatic fruit. And now let's check the base value of this poison apple. I'm going to go to the sell shop and then let's check the base value, how much this is worth. Yeah, not bad, but it's wet. It has mutated to wet. I think the base value is around 100k shekels, and yeah, I think it's worth to buy. And the plant looks nice. Okay, and of course the value will be higher after you put on sprinkler. Okay guys, and that's all the review of poison apple in Grow a Garden Halloween update on Roblox. Hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.